Hey, what's up, guys? rayBar checking in. Want to give a portfolio update for the week of April 24th through 28th. As you see, the portfolio is doing pretty well this week, up about $102 for the week and about $120 for the day. I sold several options this week, 2 covered calls, a couple of call credit spreads, and 1 put credit spread. Added some cryptocurrency to the portfolio just for kind of fun. More of a YOLO play, not really anticipating that to do really much of anything. Overall, I would say that the market, like big tech had reported this week, Microsoft, Meta, Amazon, Google. I think they did pretty well, so that's probably why you'll see that my portfolio is up overall, because the majority of my money is in VOO, which tracks the S&P 500 index, which is heavily weighted with those kind of big tech names. I also kind of reallocated my reoccurring buys daily to kind of dollar cost average into all these different stocks versus just a handful of them like I had originally set up, mainly so I could build out the dividend income, and so you guys can kind of see the dividend snowball grow in real time, and see how compounding interest really works. I always like to say that compounding interest is the 8th wonder of the world because how wonderful it is. Just kind of a recap for the week. In the brokerage account, like I said, I ended up doing, making $13 on the covered call I sold for Plug, $11 on a call credit spread on SPY, had some reoccurring buys, ended up buying into Intel, AT&T, Coca-Cola, and Aflac this week. I wanted to kind of play on their earnings. All did pretty well. I would say AT&T was the only one that ended up basically flat, but the rest of them were pretty good plays. The call credit spread on SPY that I opened up earlier, if you notice here, expired worthless, so I got the whole $11. Ended up opening another call credit spread for $11 again, and a call credit spread on Tesla to make $90. Excuse me, I'm a little bit sick this week, so my apologies. Ended up closing the call credit spread for $3, so ended up making a net of $8 overall on that call credit spread. Sold another covered call on GROY for $5. Here's that put credit spread I mentioned on Meta for $27. Ended up managing my risk, selling it for $15, or buying it back for $15, netting myself a $12 profit. Here's that call credit spread on Tesla. I had to close it at a $9 loss. At one point in time, I was up about $50 or $60 on the position, but I let greed get the best of me, and I did not close it on time. Got 1 cent in a dividend, so hopefully that will grow over time. I'll probably end up doing a dividend series here soon where I show you guys the dividend income I have for each month as I start to build out the portfolio. Please drop a like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Hope you guys have a wonderful